Hi friends, welcome back to Adeed Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you that how you can download Windows 10 ISO file on your computer. So let's start. Step 1. Open your browser and search Windows 10. Step 2. Open first website that is Microsoft official website. Step 3. Now press F12 in your keyboard. Step 4. You will see mobile icon on the left of this dialog box. Click on it and choose Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Step 5. Refresh this page by pressing F5 or by right-clicking and selecting Reload to refresh this page. Step 6. Now you will get option to choose Windows 10 version, select it and press Confirm. Step 7. Scroll down and you will see an option to choose language, choose English United States and press Confirm. Step 8. Now you will get option to choose Windows version. I am choosing 64-bit download because my computer is 64-bit. By clicking on 64-bit download, your Windows 10 ISO file will start downloading. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.